Good day. Brother Alexis Buenaventura from Tondo, Manila, Philippines. Just want to show you something, a video from Carrie B. Mullis, the inventor of the PCR or the swab test. Sinabi niya po mismo, sa bibig niya lumabas mismo na, it doesn't tell you that you are sick. Kasi nga po, hindi design yung PCR o invention niya, yung swab test, for detecting a microorganism that is causing diseases. Designed po yun for detecting and amplifying genetic sequences, etc. Panoorin niyo po ito. Magandang araw po. Alam niyo po ba na ang mismong inventor ng swab test o ng PCR test na si Carrie B. Mullis, ang mismong nagsabi na it doesn't tell you that you are sick. Ibig pong sabihin na yung kanyang invention na PCR test ay hindi dinisenyo para sa pagdetect ng tinutukoy po ng mainstream science at mainstream medicine na viruses. Yun pong invention niya ay dinesign para sa pagdetect ng genetic sequence o pag-amplify ng genetic sequences. At sinabi niya rin po mismo na hindi po sinasabi ng test niya kung may sakit kayo. Panoorin niyo po ito.
Misuse PCR to estimate all these supposed free viral RNAs that may or may not be there.
I think misuse PCR is not quite. I don't think you can misuse PCR. No, the results, the interpretation of it. See, if you can say, if they could find this virus in you at all, and with PCR, if you do it well, you can find almost anything in anybody. It starts making you believe in the sort of Buddhist notion that everything is contained in everything else, right? I mean, because if you can amplify one single molecule up to something that you can really measure, which PCR can do, then there's just very few molecules that you don't have at least one single one of them in your body, okay? So that could be thought of as a misuse of it, just to claim that it's meaningful. It is. There's very little of what they call HIV, and what's been brought out here by Philpott and Isai already, the measurement for it is not exact at all. It's not as good as our measurement for things like apples. An apple is an apple. You know, you can get something that's kind of like, if you got enough things that look kind of like an apple and you stick them all together, you might think of it as an apple. But and HIV is like that. Those tests are all based on things that are invisible, and the results are inferred in a sense. PCR is separate from that. It's just a process that's used to make a whole lot of something out of something. That's what it is. But it's not. It doesn't tell you that you're sick, and it doesn't tell you that the thing you ended up with really was going to hurt you or anything like that.
Nakita niyo na po. Kayo na pong humusga. Si Carrie Banks Mullis na po mismo yung nagsabi. It doesn't tell you that you are sick. Pag tinesting po kayo ng PCR test, tapos sasabihin po yung na-detect na microorganism na yun, yun po ang nagkokos ng sakit. O may sakit po kayo dahil nakita nila yung particular na virus kuno po na yun. Hindi po totoo yun. Hindi po nila na-isolate yan eh. Yung sa buong China, sinusunog po yung evidences. Hindi po dumaan sa gold standard yan. Sa Koch postulates, gold standard. Dapat po i-isolate nyo, extract nyo siya na matay, tanggalin nyo yung virus na tinutukoy nyo na matay, and then, isolate meaning siya lang mag-isa, na hindi po ginawa yan. Lalo na yung purification, yung i-grow nyo po sa pure culture. Hindi po ginawa ng mainstream science or mainstream medicine yan sa tinutukoy nilang SARS-CoV-2. Or lahat na po ng contagious viruses in history. Search nyo na lang po yung mga trabaho ni Dr. Stefan Lanka, molecular biologist. At the same time, he is a virologist. Trabaho din po ni Dr. Andrew Kaufman. He is a forensic psychiatrist, medical doctor also, professor. Dr. Robert O. Young, yung ano niya po, yung study niya na may pinamagatang Dismantling the Viral Theory. And then yung kay Dr. Stefan Lanka, Dismantling the Virus Theory, etc. Please, mag-research po kayo sa labas ng narrative ng World Health Organization. Mapapahamak po kayo sa DNA altering capability ng experimental mRNA neurotoxic VAC666 ng satanic cabal na ginawa for depopulation o pagbabawas ng populasyon. Bakit po ako nakasisigurado? Dahil alam po naming mga truths ang detalye patungkol sa daan taon na pong kasinungalingan ng germ theory ni Dr. Louis Pasteur. Na yun pong mismong germ theory ni Dr. Louis Pasteur ang foundation o prinsipyong sinusundan ng aral ng Western Mainstream Conventional Modern Medicine, aka Allopathic Medicine, na sinusundang aral po ng halos karamihan o lahat ng mga ospital o doctors ngayon. Pero iba po yung naturopathic doctor sa allopathic. Ito pong gumagamit ng synthetic drugs from mercury drugs, from Big Pharma, na parte po ng tinutukoy ng salita ng Diyos sa Biblia, sa Bible Revelations ng Panginoong Jesucristo natin na Mystery Babylon, for blood sacrifice, for depopulation. Salamat po sa Diyos at sa Panginoong Jesucristo sa kaunawaan. Kayo na pong bahalang magpaalam sa iba. Kapayapaan po ng Panginoong Jesucristo